Welcome back to part 2. Just as a reminder, here are the prints I created in part 1. I'm going to use my favourite, which is this one, and I've cut myself a tag shape out of a piece of mount board, and I'll actually be able to get maybe 2 or 3 tags out of here, so I'm just going to work in this one corner here. As well as the texture plates I've designed for Carabelle, I've also designed this mini mask. I call this one Noughts and Crosses. Now that I've got this far, I'm going to attach this to the tag and trim around it, and then I can see exactly where I'm going with my stamping. These other prints that I've done make a great contrast to this one, especially if they're nice and light. And this has also picked up a little bit of red pinky grunge from previous prints, and I've just cut some triangle shapes out that I'm going to make bunting. I'm going to just edge that and then add it and stitch it. For a few finishing touches, I've got some liquid glass, some gold metallic paint and some glitter.